Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin access, because many repairs require elevated rights. Once signed in, open Settings right arrow Update and Security and install all pending updates so Defender has the newest definitions. Next, launch Windows Security and look at virus and threat protection. If it's off, enable real-time protection. Then, open Services and confirm Windows, Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center are set to automatic and running. This prevents many common failure modes before you proceed. Once those basics are set, run a full Microsoft Defender scan followed by Windows Defender Offline if you suspect a rootkit. That finds threats normal scans miss. Make sure to open PowerShell as administrator and run the commands to repair package registrations or reinstall the Windows Defender features if they are corrupted. This replaces broken binaries. Also check group policy and scheduled tasks for policies that disable Defender. Change them back to defaults and restart the PC so changes can take effect and services reinitialize correctly. To finish, update definitions and run one final full scan to ensure the system is clean, then restart the computer to apply all fixes. After reboot, open Windows Security and check protection history and service status. Make sure scans completed and no warnings remain. If Defender still fails, run System File Checker and DISM to repair Windows components, and if necessary use System, restore to roll back to a working state. Key tip: if an external antivirus was installed previously, fully uninstall it, because remnants often block Defender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.